I'll guide you through downloading and installing Jupyter Notebook with Python. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be ready to create your first Jupyter Notebook. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to Google. Type download Python and click on the first link. On the Python download page, click the button to download the latest version. Once downloaded, open the installer. Make sure to check the option Add Python.exe to path before clicking Install Now. The installation will take a minute, and once completed, you'll see a message indicating that the setup was successful. Click Close. To confirm that Python is installed correctly, open your command prompt by searching cmd in the Windows search bar. In the command prompt, type Python version and press Enter. You should see the version number you just installed. If you encounter any errors, it might be due to the path variable not being set correctly. With Python installed, open your command prompt again and type pip install Jupyter to install Jupyter Notebook. Wait for the installation to finish. If successful, you can check by typing Jupyter version. To create a Jupyter Notebook, first create a folder on your computer where you want to store your notebooks. Open this folder, click on the address bar at the top, type cmd and click Enter. This will open the command prompt in that specific folder. In the command prompt, type Jupyter Notebook and press Enter. This will launch the Jupyter Notebook interface in your default web browser. Click New and select Python 3 to create a new notebook. In the new notebook, you can write simple code, for example, print Hello World, and click the Run button to see the output. You can save your notebook by clicking on File and then Save Notebook As. For more advanced users, it's a good idea to create virtual environments for each project to keep dependencies isolated. You can create one using Python and activate it before installing Jupyter. Thanks for watching. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tutorials. See you next time.